Okay, so here's the inside of my shed, and I don't see any water dripping. You can probably hear the rain outside. Right there in the gray color is my trailer roof, and then there is my shed roof. And I've been cleaning all the leaves out. I still got those leaves to clean out. My trailer roof needs some more cool seal. It's a very old trailer, like built in the 1980s, I think. Okay, here for that edge right there that is not covered and rain goes down in there, and then I've got a few holes. You can see some holes that I've got to patch. It's February, so I figured this is the best time of the year to do this before the wasps come out, because last year I was up here and I was trying to keep the wasp away from me while I was trying to do some work. You see the silver piece here, that's just an extra piece that I had to patch the roof. I just make do any way I can, but it seems to work out, so that's good. As far as this old trailer roof, I did add a layer of cool seal last year, but I probably didn't put it thick enough because I only bought one container full, and now I can tell a lot of it's came off, so I will try to add another container this year. It really helped. And right up there on the middle pitch right there, you see there was two pieces of flashing added because I have a lot of trees around, and one of the branches came down and stuck in the roof. So my son just went and put a couple of pieces of flashing there, and that was really, the cheapest way to fix it. I've had no more leaks. Okay, so now the roof is all clean, and in the past I've used different types of, I'm just going to call it roofing caulk and roofing caulk, to go in these holes, and nothing really seemed to work. So I'm going to be using something a little different today, and I'm also going to put it on my doghouse. You see my doghouse has got the same roof. They got their little porch there. It's a mess. They make a mess in there. But I think I'm going to do it on my doghouse. And so what I'm going to use is this right here. They say it's real good, and I have used this inside my home before to patch up a hole, and it works well. It stuck real good. But we'll see how it does on the outdoors. Um, and in like 6 months to a year, I'll come back and update the video and let you know if it's lasting or not. But it's real easy to cut. You can actually cut it with scissors. It's like a aluminum tape. It's self-adhesive, and it's very, very sticky. But most of the sealants that I bought to go inside these holes, once the sun came out, it did not work too well. So that's why I decided to use this self-adhesive aluminum, because supposedly when the sun comes out, it's supposed to make it more adhesive. Well, I decided to tape a piece down here and then tape a piece here, and I believe honestly that will fill that gap, cover that gap down through there. And I'm going to try that first without having to get a roll of flashing and all that stuff. So hopefully that will save me money. So then I just overlapped another piece and went under the slip anyway. And so this is overlapped over this piece is overlapped over this piece, so it should be good. It's not that pretty, but hopefully I can paint it. I'm not sure. Hopefully there's some type of paint that I can use on that. It's been raining for 2 days, and I didn't want to climb up on the roof because you see how wet it is, and so it would be dangerous. So I did come up on the ladder here, but I just wanted to show y'all that it's still stuck really good, and I think it's going to work out well. Uh, I laughed the other day and told somebody that I have aluminum band-aids all over my roof. You see, I've got them everywhere. And then up there at the, let me see if I can zoom in. Up there, turned out really, oop, it turned out really good down through there. All of that still stuck real good. So I think I deserve for y'all to like and subscribe. Thank y'all for watching. I hope you enjoyed, and I hope it helps you out if you decide to use the same technique. Thank you so much. Bye-bye.